Well, let's understand. Question again here. What are the rules to define an index view in Microsoft SQL Server? Okay, here it is. Rule number one. Rule number one. We need to define the view with schema binding option. Why? This is to prevent structural changes to the base table. We cannot disturb the base table anymore once we have a schema bound view. Rule number two, we need to define unique clustered index on the view. So here view should be having one column, say for example ID, some column that should be unique. Only then we can define unique clustered index. So there should be some kind of uniqueness involved. So unique clustered index has to be created. Rule number one, schema binding. Rule number two, unique. Only then index views can be created in Microsoft SQL. Well, main purpose of index view is in scenarios where you would like to repeatedly read the data, same data with incremental changes, like a live cricket match, stock market operations, online reservations, wherein we keep seeing the same old data plus changes, add-ons. So such kind of repeatedly reading the content with incremental changes, we make use of index view.